In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate Pinterest using Google. This short guide will help you quickly find what you're looking for with these simple steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open your preferred web browser and head over to Pinterest's official site. You can do this by typing Pinterest into your Google search bar and hitting enter. Once you find the Pinterest link in your search results, give it a click. This will take you straight to the Pinterest homepage. Here you'll find a vast array of visual inspiration, spanning all types of interests and activities. Once you're on Pinterest, you're ready to search for whatever you need. The search bar is conveniently located at the top of the page, inviting you to type in any keywords or phrases related to what you're interested in. It could be anything from DIY crafts to healthy recipes. After typing in your desired search term, simply hit enter. This action will bring up a mosaic of images, pinboards, and links that relate to your search. It's quite fascinating to see the wealth of ideas that people share every day. However, we're not stopping there. To ensure that your search results are as targeted as possible, there's a nifty little trick you can use. On the results page, you'll notice there's a filter button right above the images. Clicking this button will allow you to refine your search further. A simple but effective adjustment is to select profiles. By doing this, you are honing in on specific Pinterest users who have curated content on your topic of interest. This is particularly useful if you're looking for consistent quality content or you want to explore someone's profile to discover a range of related ideas. And that's pretty much it. By using these easy steps, you've streamlined your search process, making your navigation through Pinterest both efficient and enjoyable. Not only have you accessed a treasure trove of ideas, but you've also learned how to filter and target your searches to save time and find exactly what you're looking for. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you explore and click through different profiles and boards, the more intuitive your searching will become. It's all about making the platform work for you and your personalized interests. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to enhance your Pinterest browsing using Google. Feel free to practice these steps the next time you're looking for fresh inspiration or new ideas. Happy pinning!